Welcome back to my show, guys. Today we're going to talk about the importance of putting vegetables back into our bodies. We usually eat a lot of fast food, but trying to put as much vegetables as I can into this. So today I got me cucumbers, a couple of sticks of celery, and some spinach. We're going to make a blender, or we're going to make a smoothie. It's not a juice, well, it's a smoothie. So what we're doing is we're going to mix everything in, put some water in there, and the machine that we're using today, we're using a Ninja blender. So I put some water in there. Already has spinach, my celery, and my cucumber. These are homegrown. And we turn it on. Now it's complete. So now we pour everything in, and it tastes good. This is for breakfast. Thanks, guys.